is my favorite subject and a very challenging class. And if you ever take it, you should do more than just pass. In it we learn equations, linear, quadratic, and more. We always
Hey guys, let's go over quiz number 13 before our winter break on 2.1. This is version B. You must show all your work unless I tell you, how to show work. And then remember it says circle the correct answers. This is only one answer. You're not circling multiple ones. So the first one is, what is a leading coefficient? Well, the leading coefficient, the common mistake is to think that it's 6. And it's not. No. You have to first put it in order. Descending order. And we go by the big degree, then to the small degree. So that one goes first. Negative 2x to the 5th. Then the 3. Then plus 4x to the 1. And this one is negative 1x to the 0. Okay? So the leading coefficient is going to actually be negative 2. That would be choice B. Okay, what is the degree of the polynomial? So the degree is looking for the largest exponent or power. Basically, that means the smallest little number. So x to the 6 minus 4x squared plus 9. And so the degree of the polynomial is 6. C. Okay, let's go over here. Which one is not a polynomial? Let's use red or not. No. Okay. If your base is a number and then you have the variable, that's not a polynomial. If you're, you have a fraction here, a decimal, another variable, that is not a polynomial. A polynomial, so this is yes, that was no. You have something like x to the 3rd. You have the base is a letter and the exponent is a whole number, that can't have negatives, so no negatives. Okay. So let's think. Green. This one is okay. Okay, pay attention. This one is okay as well. That is a polynomial. Remember, this is just a number. Okay? But we're looking for not a polynomial. This is what I'm looking for. Okay? Now that I look at this one is a polynomial. Remember, the fraction is okay in front. That's called a coefficient. I just want the degree not to be a fraction. So the only one that has that is the negative 2. Why is B the correct answer? B, because the exponent is negative. Okay? Let's try number 4. Number 4. Remember, this one stays, and then this one will change. Well, you have no graph, so you should draw a graph. And if I draw a graph here, x-axis, negative numbers, positive numbers. This one is saying as you go, approaches negative infinity. So as you go from to the left. Okay, so as I go this direction. Then the graph, f of x, so f of x, positive numbers, negative numbers. So as you're going left, it's saying that the graph goes down. That means down. Okay, so then as you go to the right, because it has positive infinity, so as I go this direction, this one is saying you go up. So this is what my graph should look like. Okay, then the question is it even or odd? So remember, the parent or the easy ones, x to the second is a u, and the arrows are together. X to the first are all odd degrees, have arrows in the other opposite directions. So this one has, that's odd degree, this is even. So this one is going to be odd because of these arrows. Okay, so I also noticed that the arrows stay in the location as the parent ones. So that would be positive. Okay, it's not D because negative would mean these things flip, comes up here. That's what a negative position does. Okay, let's go to the back side. Okay, now we're using multiplication, division. So in this problem, I see 3 numbers that need to add up to 5. So I automatically like the corner ones first because the 2 corner ones there can repeat. That is okay. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. That means I'm missing a 2. Okay, that's bad. Why? 2 numbers cannot divide to be 3. So I'm going to go back up. And can I do 1, 1, 3? That works, right? Or I just did that silly. Okay, how about 2, 2, and 1? That works. Then I can do 3 and 1. Then I'm missing the numbers 2. Okay, that means this number is going to be 3. This is missing a 1. And that's missing a 3. Okay, that does not work. Because 3 times 1 times 3 is 9. Okay, somehow I want that number to be a 2. Let's see if I can figure this out. Okay, if that is true, then this one has to be a 1. 9, 18. Could this be a 1, 3, 1? And that cannot be a 2 and a 2 because I have repeating numbers. I messed up. The 18 should have been all 4 of these numbers. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 2. Let's try 3, 1, 2. Switch numbers here. 2. Okay, 1, 3, 3. Okay, that works. 3 times 3 is 9, times 1 is 9, times 2 is 18. Okay, that one works. So, in this weird big one, notice that the numbers in a column are not repeating, and it's okay to repeat in the box. See, right there. Okay. Last question, symmetry. Determine whether f of x equals x to the 4th minus 3x squared is even, odd, or uneven. Remember, even means it's original to its opposite. After we do a substitution, sub negative x for every x, odd means it's equal to the opposite of the original, and neither means not, even, not, odd. So we're going to put in negative x there. Okay, so again, what that means, oh yes. Okay, again, this means you're writing it out 4 times. So that would be x squared, so that would equal x to the 4th. Okay, this one you're going to have to do negative x times negative x, that'll become positive x squared, and then you have the minus 3x squared. So question, is this original equal to this blue box? Or the blue box is the same? Well, if the blue box is the same, then I can write this. So if that is true, then the answer is even. Now I have to justify or explain. F of x has even symmetry because after substituting x with negative x, I'm left with the original. Okay?
Rudolph the statistician, simple data everywhere, mean heights and heart conditions, calculated with great care. All of his population gathered from coast to coast, sought out his information. He would always give the most. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your pencil write what gifts I should take tonight. Quickly he pulled the children, then Rudolph shouted out with glee, Stats did provide